Imagine yourself waking up every morning with the peace of mind that your heart is functioning like a true clock, precise, strong, and tireless. And the best part? Without relying on expensive medications or invasive medical procedures. Now picture this happening for decades until the day you reach 100 years or more, full of health and vitality. Sounds impossible? Maybe, but the secret to achieving this longevity is closer than you might think. And it's not a quick fix or a fleeting miracle. It's valuable knowledge from one of the greatest heart health specialists, the renowned Dr. Roshal, who has dedicated his life to understanding what makes our bodies thrive. Dr. Roshal not only studied, but also lived a journey of discoveries that transformed the lives of thousands of people. And one of his most surprising discoveries lies in something incredibly simple: porridge. Yes, porridge that you can make in your own kitchen, with ingredients that you likely already have in your pantry. But don't be fooled by its simplicity. Each spoonful of this recipe contains a carefully crafted mixture designed to strengthen your heart, balance your cholesterol levels, and ensure your body functions flawlessly for many, many years. Imagine how wonderful it would be to prepare, in just a few minutes, a meal so powerful that it can effectively protect your heart. And best of all, you can start today. There are no mysteries or complicated tricks. Just follow the guidelines, and soon you will feel the transformative benefits of this recipe. I know it may sound too good to be true, but let me explain why this solution is so powerful. Throughout his career, Dr. Roshal observed that many heart problems don't arise because of a lack of medications, but because our diets are lacking essential nutrients. He went further and discovered that by combining these nutrients in the right way, it's possible to transform how our bodies function. And that's exactly what he did when creating this porridge recipe, which I now share with you. Let's imagine that your heart is like a car engine. For it to run perfectly, it's essential to fuel it with the right kind of fuel. If you use poor quality fuel, the car may run for a while, but eventually it will develop problems. The same goes for your body. If you don't nourish your heart with the right nutrients, it starts to feel the effects over the years. And what Dr. Roshal discovered was the formula to keep that engine in perfect working order: a rich, balanced fuel that you can provide daily. Now that you know taking care of your heart can be simple and delicious, let's talk about the true hero of this story: the porridge. It's made with ingredients you already know, and that are so common they're often underestimated. Oats, fresh fruits, and seeds. These are foods that, when combined, create the perfect environment for your body to operate in harmony. But the big secret? These ingredients not only nourish but also come together to form a protective barrier for your heart. The oats reduce cholesterol, the fruits help control blood pressure, and the seeds act like tiny defenders fighting inflammation, one of the biggest enemies of heart health. And all of this is 100% natural, with no need for medications. But before I share every detail of this powerful recipe, let me ask you a favor. If you care about your health and want to live longer and better, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. By doing so, you'll always stay informed about valuable tips like this one that can change the course of your life. So let's get to the point. What's in this porridge that has the power to transform your health? The base is as simple as it is surprising: oats. You may have already heard about the heart health benefits of oats. They're rich in soluble fiber, which directly works to reduce bad cholesterol, the kind that can clog your arteries and cause serious problems. Studies have proven their effectiveness, and now you can use this superfood every day. Now imagine combining those oats with fruits like bananas or apples. These fruits aren't just delicious, they're a rich source of potassium, vitamins, and antioxidants that help regulate blood pressure and improve heart health. Every bite is another step toward building a strong and balanced body. And to complete this powerful combination, we can't forget about the seeds. Chia and flax seeds, for example, are natural sources of omega-3, an essential fatty acid for heart health. Omega-3 is known for its role in reducing inflammation, improving circulation, and even preventing the formation of blood clots, which can be fatal. Think about what this means. With every spoonful of this porridge, you are literally strengthening your heart day by day. Now here's the best part. This isn't a temporary solution. This porridge won't just make you feel good for a few weeks and then lose its effect. What you're creating here is a lasting change. It's an investment in your future, in your long-term health. With this porridge, you're ensuring that your body gets all the nutrients it needs to function perfectly, not just today, but for decades. And before you start thinking you'll need expensive or hard-to-find ingredients, let me reassure you, everything you need is just a few steps away at your local grocery store. Oats, fresh fruits, or even dried fruits, chia or flax seeds. Nothing complicated, nothing out of reach. And the best part? You can adapt the porridge to your personal taste. Want to add honey for a touch of sweetness? Perfect. Prefer to sprinkle a pinch of cinnamon for that special aroma? Great idea. The key here is understanding that this simple recipe can be your greatest ally in transforming your health. And I know exactly what might be crossing your mind right now. Does this really work? The answer is a big resounding yes. And it's not just because Dr. Roshal recommends it. Science is on his side. Studies show that people who consume fiber-rich foods like oats have a significantly lower chance of developing heart problems. And it's not just theory. There are thousands of people around the world who have already experienced this change. They feel the difference in their bodies, their energy, and most importantly, in their health. Now let me give you an extra tip that can further enhance the effects of this porridge. Dr. Roshal recommends that you consume it in the morning, right after waking up. This is because during the night, your body goes through a renewal process, and upon waking, it's ready to absorb all the nutrients you provide. By starting your day with this porridge, you're literally fueling your body with everything it needs to function optimally in the hours that follow. It's a daily investment in your health, beginning with the first step of the day. Now stop and think about the possibilities. Imagine waking up every morning with more energy, vitality, and most importantly, the peace of mind that your heart is protected. And what's even more incredible, all this comes from something as simple as porridge. We're not talking about a complicated meal or something that requires advanced culinary skills. It's accessible, easy to make, and it can change the course of your life. For those who think it's too late to start caring for their heart's health, I want to share something very important. It's never too late to begin. The human body has an amazing capacity to regenerate and strengthen, especially when you feed it with the right nutrients. So even if you're over 60, 70, or even 80 years old, know that this porridge can make a huge difference in your life. After all, longevity with good health is something we all deserve, and this simple recipe can be the start of that transformative journey for you. Now that you have this powerful secret in your hands, the next step is up to you. Think about the impact such a simple change in your routine can have. Every spoonful of this porridge is a true investment in your heart's health, your body's well-being, and your quality of life. And remember, we're not talking about a magical solution that promises impossible results, but something real, scientifically proven, and accessible to everyone. You now have the chance to change how your body functions, giving it the fuel it needs to stay strong and healthy, whether at 30, 60, or even 100 years old. And the best part? It's within your reach, right there in your kitchen. What Dr. Leonid Roshal discovered can be easily applied by all of us. Now take a moment and think, how many times have you felt low on energy, wishing to take better care of yourself, but didn't know where to start? Well, now you do. The choice is in front of you, as simple as making porridge. If you've made it this far, it's because you truly care about your health and want to make a positive difference in your life. And for that reason, I have a special request. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any content like this. We're constantly bringing powerful tips and secrets, like Dr. Roshal's, to help you live a healthier and fuller life. By subscribing, you're also helping to spread this knowledge, allowing more people just like you to discover these secrets that can transform their lives. So don't forget, like the video, share it with those you love, and subscribe now. Your heart and the hearts of those you love will thank you.